Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pedri. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video, and you can also join our Telegram group for free signal. Today I'm going to be showing you a wonderful setup which will surely help you in trading boom and crash. As you can see, this is boom 1000 on 5 minute time frames. We have our window 1 at this level, and we have our main chart here. So for beginners who are watching this, I want you to listen and follow the rules and see how this can really help you to trade successfully every time you want to enter the market. As we all know that we have a support level, and we have our support level and our resistance level. And same thing always happen when we have our window level at this particular side. You see, there's always a rejection at this upper side, and we always have our buy zone at this level. Today I'm going to show you how this particular indicator can really help you. So let me show you the setup of this indicator. I have on my main chart, I have my moving average, the period of 20. I have shift to be 0, I have methods to be simple, I have apply to open. I have my style to be in black color because I'm using white background. So if you are using black background, so you can change this to white color. Then you press on done. Then you can also, let's move to the Ichimoku. We have the Ichimoku, we have the 9, we have the 26, and we have the 52. So you have to click on the field, and this is how the style is. So you can choose any color of your choice. You see, I have white here in the upper and down this because I have it as my background. So if you are using black background, so make use of black color. You press on done. Then we have the only relative strength index in our window 1. So we have the period of 5, we have apply to close, we have style to be in blue color. So we have our level also here. We have our 85 level, we have our 50 level, and we have our 15 level. So I have that to be in red color. So then you can press on done. Once you set it up, you will have the same charts I have it here. In our main chart, we have our 9 here, which indicates our moving average. You see, our moving average and our Ichimoku. So our moving average is the black color, is the black 9 that we are seeing here, and our Ichimoku is the blue 9 and the yellow 9. So I'm going to explain the work of them for you guys. And also on our window 1, we have our relative strength index. As we all know that when we have our relative strength index at the level of 85 level, we are looking up a trade to what for a sell, and when we have it at our 15 level here, we are looking for a what for a spike to catch. But in this video, I am going to teach you how you can use this strategy to take a trade successfully. The only thing that you need to do is to watch out your market. Watch out your market when you have your relative strength index that is reaching your 85 level. That is exactly when you are going to be targeting. And when you target that particular area and you have confirmed it that your relative strength index has reached your 85 level, then you look at your main chart and you confirm your Ichimoku. You confirm your Ichimoku when the price, when it is below the Ichimoku of blue color, which is below the Ichimoku of blue color. What I mean by that is when you have your price, you know that the market spike up to this level and begin to sell, but you see we have the Ichimoku that crossed the trade. So when the trade starting to sell, when the Ichimoku cross the price, that is exactly time for you to enter the market. So you can enter the market at this level. Let's use this as an example. So let me show you how this really works. So when you confirm this entry, then you come to here and check up your trade. You are not going to enter when you have it at this level. So you are going to enter when the price enter into this blue Ichimoku. You see that? So you are going to enter at this level. So you are going to set up your stop loss at this level, and you are going to take your trade down. So you can set up your stop profits at the first 9 year, where our moving average is crossing the Ichimoku of blue, and you can also set it at this particular size. So we have our take profit 1 half, we have our take profit 2 year, and if you also want to take more risk, you can take more risk because the market is surely is what is coming down. So you can easily take down the market from this particular entry to this entry. You see that? So let me show you some more. As you can see now, currently now the market is giving on another entry. You see, we confirm on our entry here that our market reach our 85 level, and you see this particular trade come down, and the Ichimoku begin to what to rise up, and the price enter into the Ichimoku. So if we enter at this particular level now, we have our stop loss at this, or at this last upper spike, and we continue to take our spike down. So you might have take your profits one at this level, and you wait till you have your second Ichimoku crossing the first Ichimoku, which is going to be happen now live now. So you can take it profits one day, but also you can also leave the market to what to start rocket down, because the market is going to go down for some times now. It's going to go down for some times. That is exactly what is happening. So this strategy, we are using the third zoom level. So if you are asking for the zoom level, you just use the third zooming level. So you see now at this particular side now, when that particular spike happen, if you don't want to take too long on that, you can exit your market at this particular area. You see that when the spike happen, you can exit your market at this side. But if you want to take more risk, you can easily grow up your account to this level. But do you see what happened here? You can only use it to what to sell at this particular time. You see the market keep on selling down, and what happened at this particular time, when it reach our 15 minutes time frames, it begin to what to enter into this, which give us that there's too much of what of selling activities in the market. That's why it keep on selling it down. And after this, what happened in the market keep on rising, and what it give us a spike continue. As you see now, the market is trying to recover its back. You see, same thing happen here. So anytime, majority of the time, we always have this entry in and out of the market. So you just first confirm the entry here, and once you confirm your 85 level, then look for this entry. Then you have your Ichimoku crossing the price at this level. Then you set up your stop loss here, and you have your market at this particular angle. So you can take up your first profit at this level, which is going to be about like 3 to 5 candle at this spot. So you can take it as your one stop loss, and you can also take your second stop loss at this level, which is going to be like giving you up to 6 to 7 candle. So with 6 to 7 candle now, you can easily eat up to like $2 to $4 trade, depending on your loss source that you lose towards to open the trade. So you can use that to take up your analysis every day. The same thing keep on happening in the market every time. You see, this place is not accurate because we cannot find our level on our 85 level. So you just look for an accurate. You see the market is not accurate at that particular side, so you just look for a trade that is accurate, and form a trade. You see, it's accurate at this level, but it continues to give us a spike, and that is the reason I ask you guys to always wait for the market to give us a best result of it. You see, you see that. So that is exactly what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So you see that. So let's check what is happening in crash 1000. The same principle is what you are going to be applying in crash 1000. The first thing is to first identify this your 15 level. When you identify your 15 level, then look for the entry at that particular spot. So what your stop loss is going to be in this particular line. That means when trade moves down to your stop loss, then it's going to close for you in order to save your account, and have a better trade. So you can enter your market when you see that the price have crossed the Ichimoku at this level, and you can exit it at the first level, the first area here, or you existed at the second area, which is here. So you can easily see that you have already make the market here and take your profit away before the spike keep on happen. You see that? So you see it's the spike keep on happen now because it have reached another what, another 85 level. So when we keep on checking the trade, we will see we always have this consistent thing in the market. It always happen in the market. It always happen in the market. But you just find a what, a good entry for you when you confirm that particular entry in your what, in your 15-minute time frames. You see that? So you can also take it, use it to what, to take up your spike. You just find the what, the best location when your RSI move above the what, 85 level. When you move above the 85 level, you just enter at this particular spot, set up your, or you can what, you can take a what, and you catch your spike every time. So same thing happen in the market time to time. You see, exactly at this particular time when you enter your 85 level, immediately then you enter your trade and you find yourself catching up the spike in the market. You see, it happen time to time. It went above the what, the 80 level here. It went above the 80 level now. It's supposed to be around somewhere around here. And if we see the spike down to this side. So that is exactly what I asked you guys to do. So please just follow the rules I laid down in this video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also like and comment on this video, share us your experience so far when using this strategy, and you can also join our Telegram group for free signal. Thanks.